Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Internet of Things maintenance and troubleshooting. In field operations, managing device health, diagnosing issues, and performing repairs are critical skills for ensuring IoT systems run smoothly and reliably. As IoT devices become more prevalent across industries, the ability to maintain and troubleshoot these devices effectively has become essential. Throughout this presentation, you will learn practical strategies and techniques to keep IoT devices operational and resolve problems efficiently. Understanding device health is the foundation of effective IoT maintenance. There are 4 key areas to monitor. Performance metrics include CPU usage, memory consumption, network bandwidth, and response times that indicate how well a device is operating. Battery status tracking is crucial for battery-powered devices, involving monitoring battery levels, charging cycles, and power consumption patterns. Connectivity health focuses on signal strength, connection stability, packet loss, and network latency. Finally, environmental factors such as temperature, humidity, and physical conditions can significantly impact device performance and longevity. Regular monitoring of these metrics helps predict and prevent failures. IoT devices face several common issues that field technicians must be prepared to handle. Connectivity problems are among the most frequent, including Wi-Fi disconnections, weak signals, network timeouts, or failures to connect to cloud services. Power and battery failures manifest as rapid battery drain, charging issues, power supply failures, or unexpected shutdowns. Sensor malfunctions can result in inaccurate readings, sensor drift, calibration errors, or complete sensor failure. Firmware and software bugs cause crashes, freezes, memory leaks, update failures, or compatibility issues. Physical damage from water, broken components, worn connectors, or environmental degradation also requires attention. Recognizing these issues quickly is key to effective troubleshooting. Effective diagnostics require the right tools and techniques. Remote monitoring through cloud-based dashboards provides real-time telemetry for tracking device status from anywhere. Mobile apps serve as diagnostic applications for field technicians working on-site. Log analysis involves reviewing system logs to identify error patterns and root causes of failures. Hardware testers like multimeters, oscilloscopes, and signal analyzers enable physical testing of components. Network scanners diagnose connectivity, bandwidth, and network configuration issues. Increasingly, AI diagnostics using machine learning algorithms help with predictive maintenance and anomaly detection. Combining these tools provides a comprehensive diagnostic capability. A systematic troubleshooting process ensures efficient problem resolution. The first step is to identify the problem by gathering symptoms and user reports about the issue. Next, isolate the problem by determining which component or system is failing. Then, analyze the situation by reviewing logs, metrics, and diagnostic data to understand the root cause. Finally, resolve the issue by applying appropriate fixes and verifying that the solution works properly. This structured approach prevents wasted time and ensures that fixes address the actual problem rather than just symptoms. Following this process consistently leads to faster resolutions and better outcomes. Successful field repairs depend on following established best practices. Always carry proper tools, including essential repair equipment, spare parts, and safety gear for on-site interventions. Documentation is critical, requiring you to record all repairs, parts replaced, and configuration changes for maintenance history. Safety first means following electrical safety protocols, powering down devices properly, and using electrostatic discharge protection. Testing repairs by running diagnostics and monitoring device performance after interventions ensures fixes are effective. Backing up device configurations before making changes enables quick rollback if needed. Finally, communication keeps stakeholders informed about repair status, expected downtime, and resolution timelines. These practices minimize errors and maximize repair success rates. Preventive maintenance reduces downtime and extends device lifespan significantly. Scheduled inspections involve regular checkups based on manufacturer recommendations and device usage patterns. Firmware updates keep device software current to fix bugs, improve security, and add new features. Physical cleaning removes dust, debris, and contaminants that can affect sensors and components. Battery management includes monitoring charge cycles and replacing batteries before they fail completely. Calibration of sensors maintains accuracy and data quality over time. Performance monitoring continuously tracks metrics to detect degradation before failure occurs. Implementing these preventive strategies is far more cost-effective than dealing with unexpected device failures and the associated downtime. Understanding when to use remote versus on-site maintenance optimizes efficiency. Remote maintenance offers instant access from anywhere in the world, with lower costs since no travel is required. It is ideal for software updates, configuration changes, log analysis, and performance monitoring. Remote access enables quick response to alerts and issues. However, it is limited to software and connectivity fixes. On-site maintenance provides hands-on hardware inspection and repair capabilities. It is necessary for physical component replacement, environmental assessment, and complex troubleshooting with specialized tools. On-site work also covers installation and deployment tasks. The trade-off is higher costs and longer response times. The most effective maintenance strategies combine both approaches appropriately. Field technicians need a comprehensive toolkit for effective maintenance. Screwdrivers are essential for opening device enclosures and accessing internal components. A multimeter tests voltage, current, resistance, and continuity in electrical systems. Diagnostic apps run tests and access device configurations through mobile interfaces. Cable testers verify the integrity of network and power cables. USB drives carry firmware updates and store configuration backups. A power bank provides temporary power for testing and serves as emergency power. An electrostatic discharge strap prevents static damage to sensitive electronics. A Wi-Fi analyzer checks signal strength and detects network interference. Finally, a spare parts kit contains common replacement components and connectors. Being prepared with these tools enables technicians to handle most field situations effectively. Let us review the key takeaways from this presentation. Proactive monitoring and preventive maintenance significantly reduce costly device failures and downtime. Systematic troubleshooting processes help identify root causes faster and more accurately than ad hoc approaches. Combining remote diagnostics with on-site repairs optimizes both response time and costs. Field technicians need both proper tools and comprehensive documentation for effective repairs. Continuous device health monitoring enables predictive maintenance and extends device lifespan. By mastering these IoT maintenance principles, you will ensure reliable device operations and minimize disruptions to your IoT systems. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your IoT maintenance operations.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.